I just started the fire in this wood gasifier stove. I just used a little bit of birch bark and some cotton balls with Vaseline on it. You can already tell, you can see in there that it's starting to work down, but the gas hasn't started gasifying yet. I'll bring you along here in a few minutes after it starts gasifying. Now it's starting to gasify pretty good. You can see the streams of gas and beginning to make a vortex type flame. Very shortly here I'm going to put my little camp pot on there and heat up my dinner. Alright. Okay, now you can see, now that I have the pot on there, the flames shooting up all around it. I'm going to turn my headlamp on so you can see the pot. And you're back. This is a Coleman Adventure pot. I just have 1 can of Progresso soup in there that I am going to eat for dinner, so I can combine that can with another quart paint can to make another stove. As you can see, the flames coming out the holes here, and the pot is starting to make noise as it's heating up. Kind of a cool look. I've timed this stove with wood pellets in there before, and it will burn for about 30 minutes. So you can see it's already steaming in there, getting pretty warm inside that pot, and it's only been on there like a minute, maybe 2, and I don't really want to bring it to a boil, just heat it up for dinner, but I wanted to share this with you. Now you can really see the gas being burned off, and kind of a turbulence right there. There's a little bit of a breeze right now that's causing that, but this is built with a quart paint can, a Progresso soup can, and then the top is a large tuna can. I'm finding that putting the tuna can doesn't give you the amount of burn flame around the cook set. So what I plan on doing is right there in the center, cutting all of that out so it's just to the edge, and then I'm going to put 3 holes in there, have a triangular shape where I can just run wire across and make it where I can put 3 little wire pegs in there to hold the pot up so the flame can come up around it. I think that will work even better. Well, right now I'm sitting here enjoying a hot cup of soup. It didn't take but maybe 2-3 minutes to get it to really hot. It's just hot enough where I wouldn't want it any hotter, otherwise it'd be too hot to eat. Alright, I'll be sharing the video here soon.